Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you my own personal workout routine. Let's begin. I usually don't do anything fancy in my workouts. I have found out that the best exercises are the standard ones. I work out on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I try to start the workout at 8 tops. I noticed that after 8, it's harder for me to go out and do the workout. Also, Monday is the hardest day in the week, work-wise. That's why I try to do the cardio workout on that day. Wednesday and Friday are my power workout days. Let's start with the power workouts. I start out with warming up with some quick dynamic stretches, and after that a 4-minute jog. Then I proceed to do some upper body with some normal pull-ups. Because pull-ups is the most important exercise for me, I do 5 sets of pull-ups. I do balance this out by resting at least a minute and a half between sets. I do 12 reps each set. I rest for 2 minutes in between the exercises. Then I go to dips. Now, because I've added more sets to my pull-ups, it got my workout too long and too tiring, so I reduced some of the sets from other exercises. I do 2 sets of 15 normal dips and I rest 1 minute in between these sets. Then I do 2 sets of 30 push-ups with 1 minute rest in between. After that I go to lower body and I do 2 sets of 20 squats with 1 minute rest in between the sets. Then 2 sets of lunges. I do 40 reps each set and I rest 1 minute in between. I like to finish my workouts with a 1 minute static exercise for the abs core muscles. After that, I continue to cool down with some static stretches. On Monday, I do my cardio workout. I start out by doing dynamic stretches and a 20 minutes jog. Then I continue to do some stomach exercises. I start with doing leg raises using a dip bar. I then do 3 sets of 30 ab crunches with knee bends. Again, with 1 minute rest in between the sets. I then continue to do glute bridges. 20 reps each set, 2 sets, with 1 minute rest. After that, I finish it off again by doing a 1 minute plank and some static stretches. Now, because I did a long jog today, I try to put a lot of effort in my stretches this time. And that's all I do. Pretty basic stuff actually. It's a 1 to 1.5 hour workout tops. When I was starting out, I wasn't able to do any pull-ups or any dips. And also I did it with a lot less sets, which made the workout a lot more shorter. So as long as you keep it up, guys, you'll get to these results in no time. The hardest part here is the mindset, and to remember to free up your time and actually do it. But if you got this far in the course, I bet you guys got this covered. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.